Today on Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day, we're making Beurre Monte, the magic butter sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today we're making a sauce. We're making something called the Beurre Monte. It's the magic butter sauce. Let's get started. Now, what is a Beurre Monte sauce? It's a butter sauce. It originated in France, but it's not one of the mother sauces. Almost, but not quite. It's a very simple sauce, and it's something that you can throw together at the last minute when you realize, oh, I need a sauce for something. It has two ingredients, a liquid and butter. How easy is that? We're going to start. I have a little saucepan here. I'm going to put it over medium heat. We're going to start with our liquid. Now, normally, traditionally, it's made with water. I'm thinking a little extra today, so we're going to use some white wine. Here's mine. This is one of my favorite white wines, and it's just 3 tablespoons right into our pan. We just want to give this a moment and let it come up to a gentle simmer. All right, this is coming up to a simmer just that quickly. The next ingredient is butter. I have here 8 tablespoons or 113 grams of butter. I just cut them into pieces and they're still nice and cold. We're going to add this in piece by piece and just whisk it in until it melts. Then we'll add the next piece. Now maybe you're wondering, why are we doing it this way? Why can't I just dump it all in? Doing it this way is going to help the butter emulsify with that liquid. And that's going to make your sauce much thicker, much richer, and it's going to help it cling to whatever you put it on. So just keep whisking and add the butter in a piece at a time. It really just takes a few minutes. All right, I'm just about ready to put in the last piece. Now I was whisking this constantly. I lowered the heat a little bit. It was getting a little hot, so watch your heat. Keep it on medium low to low. Here we go. Last piece in. Now this is not a thick sauce like some are, like some hollandaises and things. It's a looser sauce, but it will still be all in combined and luscious. All mixed in. I'm going to cut the heat, and this is ready to serve. I want to show you a little more what this sauce looks like. We'll use the same little bowl right here. There it is. So you see, it's not watery, but it's not as thick as some of the other sauces are. Let's give it a little taste. And you see how it clings to what you put it on. Whereas melted butter would just run off and you wouldn't see it. That's wonderful. You get the wine, and get the butter. It's all together. You can, of course, season this, add salt and pepper however you like. Today, I made this basic sauce with some wine and some butter. As I said, you can use water if you can't have wine. You can use chicken stock. You can use beef stock, whatever you like. You could also, at this point, add in some herbs, some fresh herbs that are finely chopped. You could add preserves or juices, jams, mustard would be nice, garlic. You can take this in 100 different directions, but it's the easiest thing ever. All right, if you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting that subscribe button, smashing the like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. All right, I'm going to take my lovely little sauce and my nice broccoli and serve it with my dinner tonight. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.